Okay, hi guys. These are the food rules for my household living with my grandparents. They're kind of strict with the food rules. We're not allowed to have elbows on the table. We can't use electronics whatsoever. So if I have my phone out, they'll tell me to put it away. We have to have napkins on our laps. And if we're having a home-cooked meal, we're normally expected to eat all of our food because we choose how much we put on our plate. We don't really like to waste and throw away food unless we don't really like what was cooked. We don't have to eat it. But for eating out, normally if we don't finish our food, we'll just get it to go. We don't like to not get it to go because we don't want to waste the food then, because we know that the people at the restaurant will just throw it away. So yeah, those are my rules for my household.